Yo, we are back. What I told y'all. Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, if you don't like me talking on these videos and putting graphics on these videos and all that stuff, which I take my time to create, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and watch it over here in the top right corner. Bam! You know what I'm saying? Because they are the providers of this video right here for YouTube. You know what I'm saying? But until then, go ahead. We're going to get busy right now. It's my first time watching this with y'all. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Warning. The following footage contains scenes that some viewers may find disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised. Officers were dispatched to multiple domestic disturbance calls.
Let's put up the crazy clock!
What followed was an arrest that quickly escalated inside and outside the station.
Are you ready? Hey!
Do it again!
Stop.
Do it again on my mama! I'm breaking every light on her shit! Every light on her car!
Stop.
Shit!
Seems about right.
You're never gonna be able to work again! I'm breaking every light
She got the right attire. She got the right hair, right skin
on her
tone,
shit! I'm
and the right tone of voice.
breaking every light on her shit! Shit!
Let's put up the crazy clock! Back up.
Go ahead! Yeah, break my shit! I'm breaking her! I'm breaking it again! I'm breaking more! She ain't never gonna be able to pay for no bills! Never!
In front of the
She ain't
cop.
never gonna be able to pay for shit! Never!
I dare you.
We're gonna be homeless! Never!
Are you ready?
You need to put that down.
Ooh,
Caught on 4K, clear as day.
I'm arresting her.
ooh. I'm guessing that was her phone.
All right, turn around.
Hey, Mom, the arrest ain't even break shit!
Might as well do it now.
Are you ready? Just broke the other window. Stop! You're under arrest.
What?
Caught on 4K, clear as day.
Let's put up the crazy clock! Back up.
Damn.
Fuck, bro!
Central.
I am gonna crash in the jail! That shit irritating as hell!
9102. Are you ready? Don't you pick
She trying to kick the
The
cop.
encounter turns physical. She lashes out, kicking and resisting officer.
Oh, what you doing?
Bitch, a lot wrong with me, he just broke my shit! You know how much that vanity set cost?
One of these modern vanity sets with a mirror/storage makeup dressing table with 5 drawers will set you back a whopping $170 of your prostitution stash. How the fuck can you breathe without one of these?
Bro, hurry up and lock me up so I get my phone call, bro. This shit irritating. Can y'all at least, can y'all get my phone from him too? Y'all get my phone from him? Yeah, hurry up, go get my phone.
Stop.
No, I'm not
Stop.
moving. Hey, I'm not stopping
Stop.
shit, bitch. If
You're
I wanna
turning
move
around.
back, I'm gonna move
No, you
back.
won't.
Hurry up and tighten the cuffs.
you won't.
You ain't doing shit. On my mama, you ain't hurting me.
I'm not trying to hurt
I
you.
don't give a fuck what you trying to
Yo, they don't have no respect for no man. I doubt she was raised in a house with a man. I doubt it.
do. Just tighten these
trying to hold
motherfuckers
you.
so you can sit me down. It's already
I'm
hot
going to.
outside. Bitch, hurry up. Hurry up.
Stop.
Hurry up. Hurry up and tighten these motherfuckers. Bitch,
Stop
hurry
it.
up. Hurry up.
You're gonna get hurt
Hurry
real
up.
bad.
Hurry up. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on. Put me in the car. It's too hot. Bitch, put me in the car. Hurry up. Hurry up. Fuck. Damn. You ain't got to move me. Move, bitch. Fuck.
Yo, to all the men watching this, let me go to her face. They ain't gonna to all the men watching this, yo, save yourself. You know what I'm saying? The first red flag you get, you better run. Leave it behind. I don't care how good the pee is. I don't care how good she looks. I don't care how much money she got or how much room she got in her Section 8 or what the hell she got. You know what I'm saying? I don't care how much things she did for you. The first red flag you see come up out of her ass, get the hell up out of there, man.
Shattered the 2 windows on her car. Yeah, the front window and then the back rear one. This is protected to break the fucking. Stop.
Make sure I don't care. Make sure you get my phone.
Where is it?
Make sure you get my phone. My brother had it. He broke my shit.
Where is it?
I don't know. Ask the officer.
The pink one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. I knew he smashed something when he jumped up in the air.
Like, so, there's that.
Damn, that thing is smashed up. Wow.
Put some cuffs on my legs. Fuck you, bitch. You bitch.
Hey, you stop too.
I don't give a fuck what y'all talking about. He just broke my shit. He 20. And y'all arrested him. Now y'all just arrested me. Now I have a fucking problem with that. He just broke my shit and pissed on it. I have a problem.
And I ain't gonna lie, it's on body cam, but he broke it. Oh man.
I have a whole issue with that. He just broke my shit and pissed on it. That's supposed to be my brother. I have an issue with that. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. I don't care. No, I'm not going. Oh, cause his mama got locked up, bro. F y'all, bro. Bro, this shit is crazy.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
Just go inside. I know, but I don't want it to make it worse with her. You guys have already been like back and forth.
Where we live, bro?
I know, but she's already. We're taking her away.
I paid bills in it.
What was it? Was she using that controller that's over there? No, I'm
He backing the hell up.
generally asking you.
Yeah, I ain't getting me.
Was it that thing? Did she have that, or did you get that? Bro, you're right there. I'm trying to ask. Alright, fine. I'm done with you. Alright. There was a. What'd you say? There's an OOP at the house or something?
Yeah, she can't go there.
One thing about black males, we don't know how to be a victim of domestic violence or whatever. We don't know how to do it. we don't know we're supposed to just talk to y'all. We don't trust y'all. We don't just, y'all, we don't want to give y'all our names. We don't want to come in nowhere, no courtroom. Might have a warrant or some shit. Might have something wait for us.
That was the whole issue before when
we don't care about the checks y'all give away. I heard y'all give away checks when somebody's a domestic violence victim. I'm just, that's what I heard.
she's a fool.
Damaged property. Bad.
Bonds do. Bonds don't press charges on her.
Earlier, she went to her boyfriend's home, the same address covered by an active order of protection. Minutes later, she returned and got into a physical fight with her brother.
Can you do me a favor? The person that lives at the address or quote unquote lives there when he wants to be mad at me, can y'all give him a phone call? Because he don't know that my brother just destroyed me and his stuff.
What I also don't want is your ankle getting cut on this.
I really don't give a shit about no ankle at the moment. I don't care about no ankle. Can y'all do me a favor and please call the person that's supposed to be living at that address?
I'll call. We're gonna have to go because this car, I don't know, it's having engine issues. So I'm gonna put you in a car behind you. Don't make you look silly in front of everybody.
No, I'm not. Trust me, I'll make you look silly after. Don't even know.
Officer placed her into another squad car and transported her to the police station.
So this what we stopping at?
Yeah,
Look for y'all, I'm not a serial killer.
I believe you.
Yeah, I know. These not on no more. Well, I got one on one wrist. The
How do they slip these cuffs, man? Damn.
came off.
They got soft bones. What y'all Transformers? What y'all?
21. Can you do something for me?
Wow.
Oh yeah, I've been did this back at the house.
You got small wrists, huh?
Yeah, I could have got out, but I would have been a murderer. Being a cop killer.
I appreciate you for that.
I know. I appreciate me too. Let's hurry this up. At least it's cool up in here.
Yeah, right?
But what happened after she was placed inside the cell was a series of shocking outbursts, caught entirely on camera. Before being secured in cell 9, officers conducted a search and provided her with a t-shirt, socks, and slippers, since she had little clothing on at the time of her arrest.
Let's put up the crazy clock!
Within minutes of being placed in the cell, her behavior escalated. She stuffed her t-shirt and slippers into the toilet, flooding the cell, then clogged the sink with her socks and left the faucet running. Officers quickly shut off the water supply to prevent further damage. But it didn't stop there. She smeared a used sanitary pad on the cell window, then began tearing into the mattress.
Yo, this girl is nasty. And I believe the majority of them who we see on these cop cam videos in the airports and all that shit, part of the reason why they be wilding out is because it's the time of the month. They be wilding out, PMSing, poor men suffering.
Ripping holes and slamming it violently around the cell.
She should knock herself out. That'd be funny.
She punched at the cell mirror, trying to shatter it. When that failed, she stripped naked and began dancing inside the cell.
On her monthly. Wow. This is stupid.
Officers gave her another chance, allowing phone calls and moving her into a different cell, number 10, on the promise her behavior would improve. But it didn't.
What?
Once again, her behavior escalated. She stripped naked, urinated on the cell mattress, and then dumped the urine across the floor.
Wow.
When officers provided her food, she refused to eat it, tearing it apart, smearing it across the cell camera, or throwing it around the room instead.
That's because she know damn well they probably did something to it. I don't blame them.
When officers questioned her about the destruction, she casually admitted she was doing it all because she was bored. She was charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer, criminal damage to state-supported property, and additional charges tied to her mother's vehicle. Do you think these charges match the chaos she caused?
Yo, yeah, I'm telling you, man, all that entitlement, like since they put the cuffs on her to put her in the car, you know what I mean? She was very disrespectful, very rude. Like she never had a serious punishment in her life. But if she goes on in life, continue with this behavior, she gonna meet the wrong people who has no patience, no tolerance, and she gonna really regret it. Because, you know what I'm saying? Trust me, it happens that way. Yo, go ahead and check out this channel right here. They're the ones provided the video. Respect to them, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to subscribe to Logic on Steroids. You know what I'm saying? We growing. And I appreciate y'all views and subscriptions. Yeah, we got more videos coming to y'all like this, all right? Peace.